The Institute BION was founded 30 years ago as a private research organization. Our first research topic was the study of relations between organisms and electromagnetic fields, which is known also as bioelectromagnetics. Later, we moved on other research areas, among them to the study of water structuring and to the study of the subtle field, which is known also as the biofield or as a quantum vacuum field. We developed many research methods of studying water structuring and subtle field influences on organisms. Among them, we developed the BION-EVAPO methods that uses microscopic images of dried water droplets and computer analysis of them. Then we also modified another method, electrochemical spectrometry, that also shows the water ordering. And we also developed methods to use human body as a detector of structuring water or subtle field effects, and this is monitored by electrophysiological measurements. In this particular case of the pilot research, we used two control waters, one just water and another water with normal ordinary sand that was very similar to the coral mine. And of course we tested coral mine. The results were in line with our expectations, namely the computer images showed that coral mine influences water in such manner that the images were much brighter, and which means that these mineral remnants were much more dispersed in them, and this further means that they are much more refined in their microclustering, and that they may enter human cells much easier than normal calcium products. We did 10 separate experiments, and what we were also interested in was what is the variability, the difference between the results of these 10 experiments. And what we found was very striking and interesting for coral mine, namely the variability of the results of coral mine exposed water was much lower, significantly lower than the control water. Why would this structuring effect on water of coral mine would be important? Well, because we may say that we are what we drink, namely, we do not only drink water as a chemical H2O composition, so only molecules, but also the ordering of this water. And if the order of the water is on the low level, we bring entropy, so this means disorder, into our organisms, and by this means the organism is not supported in its struggle for health and life. This pilot research of coral mine products showed that they really work enhancing on structuring or ordering of water, while at the same time they also work on the subtle field or biofield in the same direction of enhancing its order and influencing the human health in a beneficial way. Now, this result is very important, but it leaves also many questions unanswered, so that we now intend to do another more deep and extensive research into coral mine products.